Hey everybody, Chad here from Colorado Giants. Today is Tuesday, March 27th. I'm going to give you the weekly update of what's going on. What a crazy 2 days. If you follow my Facebook, which if you don't you should, I posted some pictures on Sunday with me out here doing what I will explain. And last night we had about, I don't know, maybe 6 inches of snow. That this morning all of this was covered with snow. There was at least 6 inches of snow, and when I say 6 inches, maybe it was like 4.5 to 5, but we'll just call it 6. And now it's almost all gone. What a crazy thing. Crazy Colorado weather. So anyway, as you can see, as I almost trip over the stump, the patch looks a good bit different. So what I did, I took down all of the perimeter of it. So I took down all of the frame, like on that one you can see over there, took all that off, and I'm getting ready for the upgrades to the patch. So if you don't know what it is, it might be coming a little bit clearer now what I have intended if I took my old frame down. I also was able to till on Sunday. I put down about 6 bags of perlite, handful of bags of alfalfa pellets, and tilled it up really nice. Tilled in all of that peat moss that I put in, and I gotta say I'm really happy with my soil. Probably the first time I've been happy with it in 4 years. So it's taken me 4 years to get it to the point where I'm pretty excited about the dirt, which I do realize what a nerdy thing that is to say. I mean, if you're not a pumpkin person, you probably don't understand that. But let's see here. I'll show you. So it's nice and squishy. You can see it compact. And yeah, so it looks really good. About 6 inches of nice fluffy soil. And then probably another inch or two below that, I got my hard clay deck. I tilled up the spot for the lawn gourds. That looks good. And then a lot of work was done over here in the garden where I forgot to close the fence for one. But what I did was I got all of my raised beds shaped up. So I have 5 raised beds. I actually mismeasured, and I'm gonna kind of have 5.5. We'll call it 6 beds. So each one of these is gonna have, a section of, like, this is bed 1, section 1 is like garlic, and then another section and another section. So each bed is kind of like 3 miniature beds. But as you can see, the garlic's going really well. Just about everything's sprouted up. We're starting like greens, seeds, tomato plant seeds, romaine, stuff like that, so we can get that in the dirt sooner rather than later. But that's about it. Just a quick update on what we got going on. Just a few weeks away from starting seeds. I'm going to be delaying my seed starting because I'm going to Hawaii. So second weekend May, we're going to go to Hawaii for a week. So basically the time that I want to be putting my seedlings into the ground, will be out of town. So going to be delaying a little bit, which, given my history with snow here in Denver, is probably not necessarily a bad thing. Shoot, on Sunday she made this little chick gate fence thingamajiggy for the chicks to come outside. But that's about it, guys. Hopefully everybody's pumpkin preparations and gardening preparations are going well. Yeah, that's it. Questions, comments, queries, concerns, let me know. Get out there, grow pumpkin.